This isn't your typical flashlight. This is Sofirn's 16th anniversary collector set, and it's a little different. Inside the box, it's not just the light, it's the whole presentation. You've got a commemorative coin, something you don't see very often with gear like this. Front and back, it's all about marking their 16-year milestone, a small reminder of how long Sofirn has been at this. There's also a letter from the founder, which adds a more personal touch to the whole set. It's not something most people are going to use on a day-to-day basis, but it does make this feel a little more intentional. And then, of course, you've got the light itself sitting at the very top right of the set. Just below the light is the quick release clamp that allows a magnetized base for you to wear on your wrist. And then, of course, the letter itself from the founder of the company. The box set is actually a two-piece. Remove the upper layer, which reveals the bottom section with a carabiner, a box of accessories, and the wristband for it to attach to your wrist. Of course, an owner's manual and overall instructions on how to operate the light are included with the set. For future iterations of this light, I would have loved to have seen a headlamp harness so that you could wear this on your head. Just saying, that is a viable option for future iterations of this product if one is to come out. And then, of course, we have the SE1 light itself, which is kind of deceptively small. This light is about 1 inch by 1 inch. Very, very small, very, very compact, but also makes it very, very light. It maybe weighs 2 ounces and makes it very easy to carry on a necklace, on your wrist. You could maybe rig up some type of headlamp harness to wear it like that. You can attach it to a bicycle. There are so many different options for this light and the way that it could be used. And then have what I found to be the most useful use for it is inside my EDC bag is a light to light up the interior of my bag so that I can find items easily. This is probably the way that I would use it, but let me know in the comments what you think this would be a good lamp to use and if you're interested in it at all. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and we will see you in the next video.